Come test drive the 2021 F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.